Hey everybody. If you're like me, you woke up this morning to the news of just more unrest in Kenosha, Wisconsin. And I don't even know how many of you would know this, but I actually spent the 5 years of my life prior to moving to Milwaukee was living in Kenosha. My wife actually grew up there, has family that still lives there, and when we got married, that was where we stayed. So it's unbelievable seeing what's been happening, like watching the live feeds and seeing news reports on places where we walked or hung out or dated or, went to events, jazz in a park, down by the courthouse, the post office. I know the gas station where it looks like even things jumped off that led to a couple of people being shot and killed early this morning. And I'm just tired. I hate seeing it. I hate seeing what's happening. I hate seeing the division. I hate the shooting that led up to this. I hate the rioting and the destruction in the aftermath of it. I'm even hating seeing how people are talking to each other, or I should say not talking to each other, because that's more of what I think I'm coming across and seeing is just such a polarization. So I want to invite you to just come hang out with us tonight. I'm just trying to do something different. I've got some friends on this Kneel for Nine leadership team, and we're actually friends. We actually like each other. And we're from a lot of different nationalities, different backgrounds, and we're going to get together and just talk. No script, no pre-written answers, not a forum, just regular people talking about what they're seeing, what they're experiencing. Again, my wife, her family, still living there. One of the ladies on the team, she lives in Racine. What she's dealing with, some of the things that we're coming across, even in the conversations on a daily basis here in Milwaukee and in other areas, it's unbelievable. But yeah, we just want to do something different. So we want to invite you, come hang with us tonight, Wednesday night, 7 o'clock. We'll be going live from the Kneel for Nine page. If you have questions or you have reflections, if you feel like we do and you just want to see some people that actually come from different backgrounds that can have some real conversations around these topics, I'm not saying we have the answers. I think this is more therapeutic for us. And we're just inviting you to come join us and be a part of it. So feel free to share this. Invite people. Obviously, it'll still be on the page if you want to check it out at a later time. But we want to let you know we care. Kenosha, we're praying for you. We're praying for your safety, praying for peace, praying for justice. We just want to do everything we can. And we feel like maybe starting off with just a conversation is a good place. So feel free to reach out and we'll catch up with you later on. Take care.